our Mother's Day.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are celebrating a Mother's Day. To all mothers, I give you a happy Mother's Day to everyone. We thank God for your life because kayo yung mga good example sa amin. So, maraming salamat sa mga buhay po ninyo, mga mami. Tunay na kayo ang siyang nagbigay ng liwanag sa bawat isa. So, ako'y bumabati ng lubos sa inyong lahat. Happy Mother's Day.
You are thank you.
Good example to everyone. Thank you. Okay.
As the mother ng STBC English Ministry na church. Wow, very si Pastor.
Siya lang naman the best.
Ate Mel. Ate Mel, ang ating loyal na
Happy Mother's Day to everyone na mga mothers. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoong Diyos dahil binigyan po tayo ng isang magandang nanay dito sa STBC Church. Isang magandang mami. Mami ng 3 anak. Isang apo. May anak sa iba. No. Siya po ay nagkaroon po ng 2 anak, napakagwapo, isang apo na napakaganda katulad ni Pastor, kamukha ni Pastor. So, Ate Alice, maraming salamat sa inyong buhay dahil kayo ay na-blessed ng Lord sa lahat ng bagay sa inyong pamumuhay. Sabi po nga niya dito po sa Proverbs 31 verse 28, her children arise and call her blessed, her husband also, and he praises her. Many women who do noble things, but this surpasses them all. Charm is deceptive and the beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord to be praised, honor her for all that her hand have done, and let her works bring her praises at the city gate. So, thank you very much, Ate. Bilang kayo po yung nanay namin, kayo ang nanay ng STBC Church. Maraming salamat po sa buhay po ninyo. Salamat po, Pastor.
Happy Mother's Day.
Ay, mabigat na.
Hello po, happy Mother's Day, Mami. We love you, God bless. Stay blessed, and we're always praying for you. And that there is in Hong Kong, always keep safe, and we love you so much. God bless. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi Lola, happy Mother's Day. Kayo palagi dyan. I can't wait to see you. I love you. And happy Mother's Day rin po sa mga mamis dyan. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi Mommy, happy Mother's Day. Thank you for your unconditional love to us, Liliana. Praying for your good health, na Dad. I hope matapos ang pandemic. See you soon. We love you so much. Take care. And to all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. God bless.
Hinahanap ko yung mga alibughang anak ko. Hindi na yun yung Facebook kasi yun. He doesn't believe in Facebook. By the way, single pa yun ha. Thank you so much.
Wala, parang naging requirement kay Pastor Ate Alice na may message. Reply niyo po, Ate Alice.
Thank you very much kung nag-effort na
May higit pa ba sa isang katulad mo? Minamahal, mahal at totoo. Lahat ng gusto niya ay naroon sa puso mo. Buhay man ay handa ialay mo. Walang inang matitiis ang isang anak. Ika'y dakila at higit pa sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titig ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo. Ang may pusong wagas, ganyan at tulad mo. Lahat ibibigay.
na, akin na.
Thank you.
Ito na.
Vlog na naman.
Happy Mother's Day to all.